Can you add Vanilla Visa card to PayPal? Hi everyone, this is Kate from Create, Login and Delete. Now without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up the PayPal application in your mobile device. After that, log into your account by providing your correct login credential. And once you land on your profile dashboard, tap on the wallet option from the bottom right corner of this interface. Now once you get on the wallet page, there you get an option as add credit cards or add new. So tap on add new and here tap on debit and credit card. Then tap on enter your card info. And here you get to type in your card number, your expiration date and your CVV, that is a security number. But unfortunately, as of the last update of PayPal, we cannot add Vanilla Visa card directly to PayPal account as a payment method. PayPal generally doesn't have support for this direct linking of prepaid cards like Vanilla Visa due to the way these cards are structured. However, you can use the funds on your Vanilla Visa card to make purchase through PayPal indirectly. So you can use the Vanilla Visa card during direct purchase, or you can link your bank account to use a Vanilla Visa card to PayPal. So that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.